Let me show you a 5-second test to see if your hearing is stressing your brain. Most people fail this. Close your eyes for a moment and just listen around you. If the room feels too quiet, or if you hear ringing, buzzing, or static, that's not silence. That's your brain trying to fill in missing sound signals, and neurologists say it can be a sign of hearing-related brain stress. It's even more common if you're over 40, or if you feel tired after talking, struggle in noisy places, or say, "What?" more often. When your brain works extra hard just to understand sound, it drains your memory, focus, and energy without you realizing it. But a simple at-home method is helping thousands reduce the ringing and support clearer hearing naturally. If you heard anything unusual during the test, or if your hearing feels weaker lately, tap below. The explanation will make everything make sense.